Hi guys, welcome to the multi-award winning Emerald House of Cars. We're a totally unique family run business on a mission to be the best car dealership in the UK. Our commitment is to give you guys the best buying experience you've ever received, whether you plan on purchasing completely online using our free next day delivery service with 7-day money back guarantee, or you're coming to the showroom to meet the team. We've made everything as easy and as transparent as possible so that you've got full confidence in choosing Emerald for your next car. A little later in the video, we'll show you how our vehicles are prepared before sale in our on-site RAC approved service centre. But for now, sit back, relax and enjoy the following video.
Hello there guys, welcome to Emerald House of Cars. My name is Greg and today I'm going to be giving you a guided virtual tour of our vivid blue metallic new arrival, which is of course the Nissan Qashqai Acenta. So to start off with, where else other than that vivid blue metallic? You can see very similar to the Mercedes-Benz South Sea blue metallic. It's a deep, rich, vibrant colour, real nice depth of colour and a fantastic shimmer in certain lights. Moving down, you can see, as I call it, the 4x4 pack, which is of course the black plastic trim all the way along side skirts, around wheel arches and on front and rear bumpers. Moving down, you've got almost a turbine spoke wheel finished in floret silver. You come across, you can see you've got your Qashqai branded headlights. Now these are really stylish, finished in gloss black and chrome. You can see they're angled as well to give it a more aggressive demeanour. You can see front parking sensors, front fog lights, nice big black diffuser on there, and you can see you've got the V-shaped grille all the way across the front bumper as well. Nice grooves and bonnet shape as well, again to enhance its aggressive appearance. You move around across, you've got electric folding and adjustable mirrors finished in the body colour with black plastic surround. You've got chrome window housing all the way across the front and rear windows. Satin black, of course, you can see here on the B-pillar. And down there you've got body coloured door handles as well. Coming around, you can see nice high suspension ready to soak up all the bumps on Britain's roads, which give or take, unfortunately, they are there. Then around the back, it's a real stylish rear looking. You can see lip spoiler, of course got a high level brake light, shark fin antenna. You come down and just for argument's sake, you can see that gorgeous vivid blue, one of the best colours in our opinion. You can see you've got your sweeping rear lights just here. Then you come all the way around and down, you've got rear parking sensors, black diffuser again, as we've said previous, chrome badging, and you can see real smart. Now in terms of boot room, it doesn't open off the key or remotely, so you have to lift the latch just under here next to your reverse camera, lift it up, and you can see it's a high boot. Now my family have got these, and obviously my dad and my stepmom now look after my 5-year-old, and it's great in terms of having space for a family. The high access here is really smart, but if you've got more luggage, you have got the second section underneath as well. But in terms of practicality, I can speak from experience, it's a very practical car for families or those of you with young children, and we all know that you have to take the earth with you. You've got a rear wiper in the back as well. And then to finish off the exterior tour, we'll just give you a quick look round. You can see very well presented, very well looked after, but of course with less than 30,000 miles on the clock, it's exactly how you would expect. Now, moving inside, as I call it, the VIP section, we'll give you a look, and you can see it's really stylish, very comfortable. You've got that cloth interior, black of course with a grey contrast you can see on the outer edge, and you can see you've also of course got that checkered section as well. Lots of space, lots of room, superb again for families or even those with disabilities. They're very easy to get into, very easy to sit in, really comfortable. Then inside, apart from a steering wheel that's not straight, there we go, that's even worse. You can see flat bottom steering wheel, you've got touchscreen media system, manual gearbox. See up the top, no pan roof or sunroof on this model, but you can see you've got that same seating. Comfortable, no rips, no stains, no tears, no wear on the bolster. It's manually adjustable with a height adjustment as well. And come back, you've got your speakers, and of course you've got your door card, gloss black, electric folding adjustable mirrors, and then down here you've got electric windows as well. And of course you've got the leather with the contrast grey stitching on the armrest. Now, getting inside, again, very easy, very comfortable. Doesn't matter how tall you are or if you've got any issues, you can get in. You can see instrument cluster lighting, odometer and trip reset here. You've got your lane assist, auto start stop, headlight range control. You've also here got bonnet release and of course fuel cap release. Down here you can see you've got your rubber sports pedals, and up top you've got that black leatherette effect all the way across the dash. Now it's a nice big dashboard. It lets you know that there's plenty of room in case of an accident, which no one wants to think about, but it's nice to have reassurance. And then you can see you've got the metallic black all the way across the instrument cluster, and of course the center console. Really smart. Now we're going to get in, shut that door, get rid of some glare. Now we're going to turn it on very easy. Put the key in first. You can see turn it 2 times first to start it. Then you need to unlock your steering wheel, because I've locked it, which I'm an idiot for doing. So turn it twice, and then foot on the brake, foot on the clutch, and turn it again, and you can see it starts first time. No issues, no problems, no delay, and more importantly, no warning lights. Now you can see on here, less than 25,000 miles. You've got your digital time, you've got of course your temperature, your fuel range, you've got your occupancy sensor, and of course you've got your speed limit assist just there. Now to control that in the instrument cluster, you use the options on the left hand side of the steering wheel. You can see you've got digital speedo, you can change it just here. You can cancel, you can go back if you need to. You can scroll across, you've got fuel economy, you've got your direction of travel, traffic sign assist, you've got DAB, and you've got your driving aids on there as well. ESP, this of course is lane assist, you can see lane departure warning just there. If you go back on there, you've got emergency brake as well. TPMS, your tyre pressures, and if there's any warning lights. If you go on settings, driver assistance, you can see you can change parking aid, you've got traffic sign, chassis control. If you go on to chassis control, it's quite a nice feature. You can have the trace of the control option and all other menu and different manner of things. Now coming back, the clocks themselves, you've got the nice silver contrast excuse me, styling on there, black faces, white font, white needling. You can see here auto headlights on the left stalk, and you've also of course got your auto wipers on the right stalk. On the steering wheel, really nice, unmarked, soft touch leather. You can see that grey contrast stitching, flat bottom, concave satin silver base, instrument cluster menu, of course with your audio sources, and here you have got voice control and cruise control. Then you move across, you can see you've got your hazard lights, your air vents, and then you come down to your touchscreen media system. Now if we click on the menu button, you can see we're on here. We can change all manner of different things. If we go on the touchscreen, you've got Bluetooth telephone, you've got your info, traffic info, where am I? You've also got your audio options. So if you click on here, click on source, you've got AM, FM, DAB, Bluetooth audio, Android Auto, auxiliary, CD, USB. You've got plenty of different options. You can click on customize as well, and you can change your options and the way they look. If you go back again, you can see you've got map. If you click on here, nice high contrast, high resolution display. Very easy, very simple to use, and very easy on the eye. You can also see you've got connections, so this is of course your Bluetooth, your Wi-Fi, your USB, and you can go on settings and you can change all the different options just there. Now moving back, you've got camera. If you click on camera, you can change your options, you can change your settings, you can see the brightness, the contrast, you can see you can change it all here, so you've got a real nice different way of viewing. You can change all the options here. It's just very simple. You've got color level as well. You can change it black and white if you wanted. Very easy to use. Now moving down, you've got volume. You've of course got your zoom in and zoom out, of course, and your menu options if you don't like using the touchscreen. Here you've got your aircon. You can see separate temperatures across the cabin, so it is dual zone, heated front screen, heated rear screen, recirculation, air distribution force, turn it on and off. Have of course got the options for where the air comes in here as well. Dual just there. Moving down, 12-volt charger, electronic parking brake, auto hold for the hills, storage, and then you come down, metallic of course on the black here. You've got the satin on the silver, you've got the black leather with the contrast grey stitching on the gear gaiter, and it's real nice looking gearbox. Leather head, you've of course got the chrome, you've got the gloss black, and to use it, lift it up, push it across, push it in, and you'll know you're in reverse. One, because your camera will kick in, and two, your parking sensors will display on the front just here. You've also got a real nice little bit of leather finish here with the contrast stitching, so it's comfortable for drivers if you rest your leg. A little bit of ambient lighting just down the side just there, and you can also see here you've got dual cup holder, you've got your quilted design on your leather armrest. You can of course lift that up. You've got one storage compartment, you've got dual storage compartment with a bottle holder, 12-volt charger again, you can see as well. You also here got USB and auxiliary and further storage just here. But all in all, it is a very, very good looking bit of kit, very well specified, really economical, very spacious, and with that 1.3 litre engine, it's going to be very, very cheap to run as well. But don't just take my word for it, come down and take a look. Now in terms of that, you can of course purchase this car in many different ways. There's finance, part exchange, cash, or even utilising our award-winning click and deliver option. So for any info on the purchasing, do of course please speak to Tom and Victoria in sales. And just before you do that, you're going to want the added last bit of reassurance. Preparation on this car has been commenced, so that means this car has gone through our 128-point RAC approved check. Now what that means is that our on-site RAC approved garage facility have of course given these a cosmetic and mechanical check all the way through. Not only that, they've also given it an oil and filter service, so you can rest assured there's no maintenance required for the foreseeable future. But for me, who can't seem to get his words out today, thank you for spending 10 minutes of listening to me try. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope to hear from you soon.
One of the most important factors when buying a used vehicle is figuring out who to trust. Buying a car is a massive financial commitment, and you need to be 100% confident in the company that you choose. We have over 1,000 5-star reviews on Google, Facebook and Auto Trader, hundreds of video testimonials, and the jewel in the crown are the multitude of awards we've won over the past number of years, including UK Independent Dealer of the Year, Independent Community Dealer of the Year, and most recently, Used Car Retailer of the Year. Integrity and transparency are really important to us at Emerald in how we conduct our business. We're the only dealership with a multi-award winning weekly YouTube show which pulls back the curtain and lets you see the inner workings of how a car dealership operates. We cover all aspects of the day-to-day running, from buying, selling, sourcing, after sales, and of course everything that goes on over at our RAC approved workshop.
Every one of our cars undergoes a 128-point vehicle inspection by our team of experienced technicians. Any item that aren't up to our approved standards, we rectify and replace parts needed with manufactured approved parts. We also service every car and put a fresh MOT on ready for its next owner. When we are happy the car is in A1 mechanical condition, over it goes to our body shop for paint correction or wheel refurbishment, then finally onto our detailing team. Essentially, we want to ensure that when the car reaches its new owner, it's at its very best. For the road ahead, we've got you covered with a comprehensive 90-day warranty, which can be extended for 1, 2 or 3 years, depending on your preference. We are proud to be partnered with the market-leading warranty providers that match up to our own high standards, providing customers with genuine support when they need it.
We've also got you protected for all unfortunate circumstances, such as having your car written off or stolen throughout your time owning the vehicle. We're really pleased to be able to offer a great RAC, gap and return to invoice insurance product, keeping you safe long after you've left our showroom.
If you are local to us and want us to take away the headache of keeping your car well maintained, our service plans could be just the ticket for you. Payable monthly and carried out in our fully equipped RAC approved garage, every service comes complete with a free health check to keep you and your vehicle safe and secure on the journey ahead, and also protect the future value of your car by maintaining that all-important service history.
And when it comes to protecting your car's interior and exterior against stains, scuffs, contaminants, all of our encompassing Guardex paint and fabric protection ensure the aesthetic appearance of your new vehicle remained unaltered and improved to an almost better than new finish. It's a great opportunity to protect against the best and worst that Mother Nature has to offer.
And last but not least, if you do need to take out finance for your new vehicle, we have a panel of over 35 lenders, including Santander, with rates as low as 7.9% APR, always guaranteeing you the lowest possible interest rate. For a free finance check, which won't affect your credit rating, click the finance tab on our website to fill out a 2-minute application that lets you know beforehand what your monthly payments are likely to be. We've got loads of PCP, HP and lease options available, depending on your personal preference and budget. So if you want to speak to me or my team of finance experts for any help and advice, please don't hesitate to pick up the phone. We're here to help.
Our goal at Emerald is not just to sell cars, it's about creating lasting relationships and customers for life. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what some of our customers had to say about their very own Emerald experience.
And how would you rate us out of 10? 10 being probably the best car dealership in the UK.
Definitely 10. Oh, I'd definitely say 10.
I'm going to say 10. 10.
10, obviously.
10.
10, I suppose.
Definitely a 10.
I would give you a 10.
It's got to be a 10.
I'd give you a 10.
Well, it's obviously a 10, isn't it?
Obviously a 10.
Mate, more than 10.
Can I say 11?
Straight million. Straight million.
Way more than 10.
I would say 10.
Oh, I'd go as far as saying 11.
Definitely a 10.
10,
A 10.
I can say 10.
In the UK.
11.
But it's got to be a 10.
Definitely a 10. If I could give you more than a 10, I definitely would.
I'd definitely say a 10.
10. I'd give you a 10.
I'd give it a solid 10.
I would say 10.
10 out of 10.
I'll give you a 10 then. Sounds
Give us a 10.
10.
And I'll give you 10 out of 10.
Gotta be a 10.
I'd give you a 10.
I would rate you a 10. 10 out of 10, 100%. It's gotta be 10 out of 10, isn't it?
That's an easy one, isn't it? It's 11.
11 out of 10.
I'll give you 10. Because I came back, didn't I? And I'll be back again.